Okay, so previously sections we understand to the how exactly the HTML structure is that. Okay, so everyone knows right now what is the meaning of each line. Right now we are going to the next concept. This is called the HTML tags and 3.3 HTML5 elements. So right now we are learning the meta tags. So meta tags, or we can say the metadata, refers to the data that provides information about to the other data. It's like describes various characters, properties, or attributes of a particular piece of data, documents, or resources. In other words, a metadata provides a content and the additional information about a data itself. So metadata can be applied to various types of data, including documents, images, videos, audios files, websites, and more. It is help organize and categorize and understand the content and a structure of the data. So what is exactly the metadata? Metadata, it's like, some kind of data we have, like, suppose means it's like related data to our website. Okay, suppose I have the one website as like Amazon. Okay, so what happened, when we are going to the search engine, let me show you in practically. Okay, suppose we are going to the we are first searching to the search engine. Okay, so we are searching over here. Suppose I want anything, I want suppose a ball. Okay, I want a ball one product. So I'm searching over here. You can see when I'm putting to the ball, it's a ball related, websites will come, isn't it? So means what? Suppose I want to say I want to shop something. So I'm putting over here, I want to do the shopping. Okay. Now see, when I'm putting to the shopping, what happened? Only the Alibaba website, this website. After that, you can see the different website is coming, right? Isn't it? Why the Alibaba only coming to the first? Why? Because of they are putting some keywords, some data related to the metadata. So metadata are refer to the data that provide information about to the other data. Means when we are adding to the metadata, you can see there are different metadata I added over here. So when we are adding to the metadata information, it will be not reflected on your web page. It's not will be reflected on your web page. It is just only SEO purpose. What is the SEO? SEO full form is search engine optimization. Okay, search engine optimization means what? When people are searching anything related to the like a shopping. So I want only, if suppose I have the shopping website, my only website should be the come first. So we can add the different types of metadata, like we can add the meta characteristics UTF-8 means specify the characters encoding for the HTML documents, indicating that it is encoding using UTF-8 means we can use the different types of characters like alphabets, ABCD, after that numbers, special characters. We can add the lot of data. We can add the lot of characters inside of my website. Again, we can add the second type of what? Meta names, again we are using a description. We can write about to our website, like this is suppose my shopping website. This is website we are using for the shopping purpose. Here we can buy the different products. So you can write a description about your website. So that purpose we are using the metadata. Again there is the another metadata that's called the keywords. We can add the keywords. Keyword means what? Like a shopping is the one kind keyword, right? Means people are searching something on internet, that is called the keywords, right? So we can put the keywords right now. Suppose if suppose we have our college. Okay, that college purpose, which kind of the data we can save over there in the like keywords types. So we can put it over there: learning, education, right? After that, courses, isn't it? So this is called the lot of keywords we can put inside of that, isn't it? Now after that, if you can talk to the meta names, means author, who is exactly made it that particular application or website, or maybe who is the founder of that, right? So even suppose when you are putting to the Elon Musk on internet, right? So what happened? It will be automatically the Elon Musk related data will become, even the Elon Musk's own itself websites also become, like which kind of the Elon Musk website, like SpaceX. Why it's coming the SpaceX? Because the Elon Musk is the author for that. Because the Elon Musk, the people know the SpaceX, right? So that's kind of, if you are the famous personality, you can put it to the meta name as the author, and you can content, you can put your name. Then what happened is, if your website also not that much of in the good level, even that person name, when we can put the website related website will be the come, isn't it? So that's also we can put that. Again, a meta names, viewport, content, and this kind of this meta name, viewport, content, view, width, height. This is why we are using, because if suppose we have the different devices, in that different devices I want to arrange my data, arrange my inside of element properly. So when you are going automatically, it's changing, it's taking a phone size, is taking to the tablet size, is taking to the laptop size. Why? Because by default you can see when we are using the boilerplate, inside we have this one is rotated, isn't it? Now, if you are going to the metadata, HTTP equal to refresh, means what happened, this is called the our automatically page will be, refreshing certain time. Refresh means what? Okay, simply if suppose I'm going over here and when I'm going to the refreshment, right? So means what happen, when we are putting this one inside of your website, your page will be automatically refreshing after a 10 30 second 30 second 30 seconds, like that. Okay, so to be honestly, if I am putting right now metadata UTF-8, metadata description, metadata keyword, metadata author, and metadata viewport, it will be not reflecting on your web page, because these are all a logical tags only helping for to the fetching purpose. Okay, but if I'm putting to the refreshment, this one will be, we will see that there is no any issue. This is also the logical part, but refreshment we can see that. For that purpose, let me show the refreshment. Okay, so I'm going to the, okay, for that purpose I want to open one VS code. Okay, VS code. Okay, before that, I want to make a, proper one. I want to make a proper file first. New. I'm making one folder. My folder name is suppose try. Okay. Now let's go inside of the VS code. We are going to the files. After that, open the folder. Okay. Let me click on the open the folder and I want to select this try one. So select folder. So right now I am inside of the try folder. So let's make a first HTML file. I want to say that just I want to make something. I want to try something. Try.html. Use always the HTML format. HTML format is hypertext markup language. It is used for the web browser purpose. I'm using hit enter. When I'm using hit enter, you can see the one particular website, not my file is ready. Okay, after that I'm using shift and exclamation mark and I'm saying I want to emit. Emit means what? A boilerplate. Everything, the code is ready, just we need to write inside it whatever we want, isn't it? So we are going that, and over here also title I'm putting as the try. So title means what? When I'm putting this title over here, let me run that. Okay, copy. I am going to the again our website. I want to put over here URL. Okay, now see my title is what right now? Try one, isn't it? My title is what? Try one. Okay, so that is exactly. Now after that, see over here, suppose I'm putting this one, what? Meta HTTP, okay, equal to refresh. Okay, so we don't want to waste time, that's why I'm copying over here and I'm pasting to the these all tags, these all meta tags we need to put into inside of the head tag only. Okay, because logical tags we have inside of the head tag, and the physical tag we are putting inside of the HTTP, sorry, our body, right? Isn't it? So I'm putting over here, you can see I done that, and I want to say that not a 30 second, I want to refresh at least a 1 second. Okay, so I'm putting the one, control S save. Now let's go back to our PPT. You can see it's automatically refreshing. I'm not using any key. So that is called the refreshment. So where exactly the refresh peoples are using? When you are going to the, suppose we are sitting into the line, okay, appointment suppose we have, okay, and we are waiting for when our appointment will be the come, or maybe we are waiting for when our order will become, right? So that time the people want to the refresh again and again, again, certain 1 second, right? So that time they are using the refreshment concept. Okay, it's depend upon my work, my job is I want to teach everything whatever you want. Okay, and after that you need to decide what exactly you want to use, getting, like that. Now this is, we just done the meta tags. Okay, let me go again back to my PPT. Okay, where we done the meta tag, isn't it? Right now let's understand to the HTML5 attributes and the custom data attributes. Okay, so we have to the we have to the two types of attribute, main two types of attribute. We have the different kind of attribute.